Welcome back, cruisers, to a great start to a new week. Thank you for joining another popular Cruise Hive news updates. So we look to begin proceedings with 4 stories as Carnival's reminder over cruise etiquette. We take a look at Holland America Cruise Outbreak, as well as Carnival battling loyalty program concerns and Seattle luggage service to follow. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Carnival Cruise Line will offer the convenient port valet luggage service for the 2025 Alaska season from Seattle in Washington. Available aboard Carnival Spirit starting April the 14th and Carnival Luminosa beginning May the 1st, the service allows guests to check luggage from the cruise ship directly to their airline. This complimentary service, operated through the Port of Seattle, simplifies travel by eliminating the need to handle bags post-cruise. Guests can enjoy Seattle before flying home, with luggage delivered directly to their final destination. This service is exclusive to Seattle sailings and does not cover airport transfers. Carnival's loyalty program, Very Important Fun Person, faces ongoing scrutiny as frequent cruisers in top tiers, Platinum and Diamond encounter reduced benefits. Priority boarding, main dining room selections and collectible VIFP pins have been limited, particularly on Carnival Journey sailings. Brand Ambassador John Hive has hinted at changes but confirmed no details, addressing persistent rumours, including alleged benefit removals. Speculations about a new loyalty tier and changes remain unconfirmed, and despite fears, Carnival emphasises that rumours from external sources are false, urging patience as updates are finalised. Holland America Line's Volendam is experiencing a norovirus outbreak during a 21-night voyage that departed Miami on January the 4th. Of the 1,369 passengers and 569 crew aboard, the CDC reports 60 symptoms, including vomiting and diarrhea. The ship has visited Caribbean ports like San Juan, Barbados and Grenada and is scheduled to return to Fort Lauderdale on January the 25th. Norovirus has been prevalent recently, with 7 cruise ship outbreaks since December. Travellers are advised to practice good hygiene to minimise risks. Carnival Cruise Line has reminded guests that hanging laundry on balconies is prohibited due to safety concerns. Recent photos from the Carnival Breeze and likely Carnival celebration showed clotheslines with garments, prompting a response from brand ambassador John Hive, who confirmed such behaviour violates guidelines. Hanging items can blow overboard, posing environmental risks and fire hazards. Guests are encouraged to use onboard laundry services or in-room bathroom clotheslines instead. Carnival emphasises safety and environmental responsibility to enhance guest experiences. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.